cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some leftover roast meat just now, some mixture between roast chicken, roast pork, and also roast duck from our lunch today. We tap out the leftover bag, and I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to make it into a Chai Buey. Chai Buey is a very common Chinese New Year dish. And actually Chinese New Year is coming up very soon, right? So in order to make this dish, you need the mustard green. Yeah, you need a mustard green, gai choy. Yeah, it's called gai choy. Today I'm very lucky. You don't see this every day, but I managed to get it when I was at Jaya Grocer this afternoon. And surprisingly, their gai choy is not very big. It's somewhat smaller than the normal ones that I get from the wet market. So to me, it's better because I don't have to spend as much time to cook it. Because in order to soften your gai choy, you basically need to cook it for minimum 45 minutes if it's the larger one. So this one, I hope I don't need as much time as 45 minutes. Yeah, and then we are going to need some. We have some garlic, few cloves of garlic. I crush it, I bruise it a little bit. Few pieces of ginger, and also few pieces of this is dried chili. Yeah, to give it a bit of spiciness, which is very nice. Then you will need these three to make the broth. Most important, of course, is the Assam Jawa. A lot of people ask me what brand I'm using. I'm using Adabi. Actually, you can find other brands as well in the supermarket. Nowadays, it's very good and very convenient because it is a puree by itself. You don't have to remove any seeds anymore. Just scoop and use it straight away. And then I'll be putting in some oyster sauce. And of course, not forgetting my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. For those who are interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. By adding in this, immediately your soup becomes a chicken stock in 2 seconds. Right, then you have to prepare a bigger pot or a bigger wok, yeah? Very seldom you see me using my stainless steel wok already because my non-stick is actually 30 centimeters, a bit small. And why I use lesser on my stainless steel, because you can see all the shine, the reflection, or the lighting, yeah? Because Appa have to use lighting. So all this, the reflection is very difficult for me to get rid of it. So I very seldom use stainless steel nowadays for my videos lah. So after adding the oil, you want to heat it up. Once it is heated up, you can actually add in the ginger, garlic, and also dried chili. Saute a bit, and we'll come back shortly. Wow, I can smell the wok. Hey, I miss my stainless steel wok. Very nice, long time never use this. So immediately you can start seeing the garlic and ginger started to brown a little bit, yeah? This is the time you can actually add in the mixed roast meat, yeah? Whatever you have. The more bones, the better. Actually today, the roast duck that give it to us has a lot of, it's very bony. Yeah, it's very bony. So just nice for me to use for this purpose. Alright, use a few stir. Ooh, now I can smell the 5 spice powder. I did not add anything. It's coming from the roast meat itself. Now we can actually add in the water. See, immediately it becomes a stock. Very nice, isn't it? Let me add in 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. So now it's not only the roast meat broth, it's also becoming chicken stock. Raise the heat, yeah. And we're going to give it some oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. And I'm adding in about 2 tablespoonfuls of Assam puree to start with. You can adjust or add more Assam puree towards the end before serving, yeah? Depending how sour you want it to be. And I'm going to give it 1 teaspoon of salt to start with. And we are going to bring this to a boil. You can add in some Shaoxing wine also. That will help to remove some of the gaminess of the meat, should there be any. Okay, I'm going to add in a bit of Shaoxing wine now. Okay. Oh, long time. Appa never put in my favorite Vietnamese premium fish sauce. Give it few slashes, yeah. Sometimes people ask Appa, why is it you add salt, you add soya sauce, you add fish sauce? Isn't all of it give it the saltiness? Yes, but in Chinese cooking, uh, different kinds of saltiness will give it different layer of saltiness feeling. So it is actually different, yeah. Cooking is all about building out different level or different layer of flavor. For this dish, you do want to add in a bit of some sugar, yeah, to get some balanced flavor, all right? And I find I tasted just now a little bit too spicy. I removed some of the chili batter earlier. If not, later the whole thing will be too spicy. Just put 1 or 2 pieces enough lah. Right, the moment you start seeing it started to boil, a lot of people always laugh at Appa how to pronounce this word boil. Appa always say boy. But you understand, right? That's enough. Then we put in our kai choy, yeah? The mustard green. This is the veggie they use to make pickled veggie. Ham choy or swin choy. So what we are doing here is, you want to prepare a flavored soup, a flavored broth, for you to flavor the veggie. This is why you want to adjust the taste of your soup nicely, even before you add in the veggie. Yeah. I have a strong feeling that I don't need to cook the veggie for 45 minutes because it is actually smaller version, which is very good. I got it from Jaya Grocer. Yeah. Alright. Next thing, I'm going to cover it with a lid and tune down to medium low. Yeah. Maybe leave a bit of space here for the steam to release. And cook it, let it simmer for at least, let it simmer under medium low heat or medium for at least about 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah. Until the veggie becomes softened, then it is done. Alright, 30 minutes still not enough. Even though this is a smaller pieces of kai choy, it still need about close to 45 minutes. Right? This is close to 45 minutes, simmering under low medium heat, and basically all the flavor has been released. Just let me have a taste. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit more asam puree. And some light soya sauce. Done. Or you can put in some salt, yeah? That's it. Our very flavorful chai buey is ready to be served. Alright, our very flavorful but very simple chai buey is ready. You can cook this anytime during your Chinese New Year, especially Chinese New Year. A very famous dish. Okay, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.